Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show that I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, I've got something from a Zen Pop box. Use the coupon code Ramen. Oh, go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code RamenRater for a discount. So, what do we have? Smoky and spicy shio. Right there. There it is. And then here we have this one. That's actually the outside of the container. So what do we do? How does that work, Ramen Rider? That's how. See, the thing that's nice about Japanese instant cup noodles is right there. Can you see that? 320 milliliters for 3 minutes. Now you know how to read cup noodles, and you can impress your friends and make them think, hey, he's reading or she's reading Japanese. I had no idea. That's amazing. When did you learn Japanese? When all you're doing is knowing which numbers to say. Oh yeah, I can't forget that. So here's our noodle block and our loose bits. Gonna give it a little push down, Stuart. Yeah. I don't like it. I can't do the Stuart thing. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, that's cool. There was a show called Mad TV, and there were 2 skits on it that my wife really likes. There was the Stuart one, and then there was Miss Swan, which was pretty funny too. But so the noodles are steeping, as it were. So what's going on? Like I said, we went to the library and I ended up getting some documentaries, so that's cool. I don't know. Gonna read my daughter a story in a few minutes. But yeah. Things is good. Wow, it's only 12:46. That's a plus. We'll have a nice amount of time to read and then do the editing. Yeah. God, I was gonna say something. I don't know. I'm supposed to do something involving the History Channel, but now I haven't heard from them in a couple days, so I'm wondering if that's happening or no. It's kind of funny. Places will contact you about doing some kind of project and ask if you'll be able to do this or that, the other thing. They're like, okay, we'll update you, we'll update you, we'll update you. And then all of a sudden they drop off the face of the planet. It's like, okay, it didn't go through. So I hope it does. That'd be fun. Oh, I thought I pushed the button. Well, at least there's the clock behind you. I can read that clock. It says it's 12:47 and it just said 12:46. So I guess when it's 12:48 or 12:49. Yeah. It's kind of fun. I don't know if you've ever done this, but if you steep noodles like this in a cup, I'll have to get a camera on it and do a time lapse, because it's interesting watching the noodles kind of go. They do weird things. There's like bubbles and strangeness. But yeah. I'll give it another minute or so. That should do it. But yeah, it's Thursday. Week's almost over. I'm planning on doing 2 reviews tomorrow too, which means that for this week, if it all happens like that, I'll have done 5 or 10 reviews this week, which is pretty good. It's been just really hard because I do my walking crap and then I've got to like edit video. I'm hoping to get the 2nd episode of the Ramen Raider diet done this weekend. So, but I need to get a couple little clips of footage before I do so. And this, I think, is going to be episode like 504, 505 of It's Noodle Recipe Time. I've done over 500 episodes now. I might do a video of just about the show, like a quick little thing about Instant Noodle Recipe Time. That'd be fun. A retrospective of a show I do in the kitchen. I've gotten a lot of people like give me grief over this show. Why are you sitting? Why do you sit? There's schmutz on your camera. That was the worst. I would have realized I would have never published it. And then what happens? Facebook promotes it. I actually got a call from Facebook. And I told them about that recently. They're like, yeah, we had some people that went in that... there's a program called the Launchpad program. And you don't pick what videos that get promoted. They do. And it's all based on algorithm. So what happens? People comment on the video that had the little bit of schmutz on the lens, and it's like, oh, this is a popular video. We should promote this one. This one will do well. Like, yeah, your algorithm sucks. Eggs. And the new thing, there's this new, what do you call it? New rule on YouTube. Big new thing. COPPA, Child Online Privacy and Protection Act. So you basically have to mark your video if it's for a kid or not. I mean, I don't know how interesting this would be to, like, kids. But, I mean, if you're a kid and watching, hello, hope you enjoy. I'm not crazy. Not real crazy. You're probably crazier than me. You're a kid. But, yeah, you gotta label your videos to be either, what do you call it? For kids or not for kids. Or you can label your channel as a kid, like a channel for kids or not for kids. I labeled my whole channel just as not for kids, because it's like, I'm not gonna go through like 800 videos and go, well, this one's more kid-friendly than this. It's like, I don't freaking care. If you're a kid and you want to watch it, be my guest. But if you're not, then don't. You're not going to see any porn or really harsh language except for certain episodes. Oh, no porn. Maybe some harsh language, though. But... because I have kids of my own. And there's one of them! Hi, Mimi. Hi, kid of my own. What you doing? Are you enjoying your programming? Jump. She is jumping, ladies and gentlemen. So, let's give this a try. So this is Smoky Spicy Ramen. Cheers. What? I'm going to use a green biodegradable spoon to try this broth. Chunks of maybe chicken? Chicken sausage? I don't know. I'm going to say this doesn't really like smack to me of ramen. This tastes like some kind of weird Alfredo pizza. It's not bad, but I don't even know if they still make this one. They make these cup noodles, and they exist in the wild for like sometimes as short as 2 months or less, and then they never make it again. There's only like 2 or 3 that they make constantly forever. So it's tough doing reviews of cup noodles and then wanting to put them in top 10 lists, because if I do, there's a good chance that they won't exist anymore, and then it's like it's very hard to find somebody at Nissin that I can pick their brain and go, does this one still exist? Does this one still exist? How about this one? How about that one? Yeah, I don't really have any contact at Nissin except for USA, and they're front-ended by a PR firm now, which is, you know, it's kind of the way things are going in industry-wide, but I just miss having my friends at Nissin I could contact, you know? I had my buddy Scott, and I'd be like, hey man, how's it going? Yeah, dude, we got a new product. Really? Can I try it? Yeah, totally. All right, cool. Send it over. All right, it's on its way. Thanks, bro. Cool. Those days are over. It's like there's a firewall that you have to get past. Marshawn's the same way. Come on. By the way, if you're wondering about this hat is from Nissin Germany. No, Nissin Deutschland. Yeah, they sent me hats. Okay, let's see if I can... Is that gonna work without horrible things happening? Yeah! Here we go. Going up? All right. Yeah! Say yeah! Yeah! Say roar! Roar! You fierce? Roar! But don't touch. You can say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
All right. This has been Hans, and this has been
Mimi.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
And
Have a good one.
bye.